They put number 9. It's supposed to be number 8. Oh my god, right there, look. Number 7, number 9.
Oh, they did. Okay. Yeah, so do not break blocks, which we're in adventure mode.
They failed.
We know. Move.
Okay.
You can use /kill. Enjoy. Do not remove items from the item frames. Right?
Rate and tell me if you want others as a map. Set your render distance to 8 chunks. Oh,
Which I need to do.
Yeah, I need to do that too.
Okay.
Settings. Wait, what do we go for that?
So there's 8. Whoa.
Wait, how do we do that? I never really changed it.
Come here.
Yep. How am I going?
Yep. Go to video.
Video.
And go down. It would say render distance. Rather distance. Right here.
8 chunks?
No, down. Okay, then you just set it up to 6. Okay.
I don't have 8.
Okay, then you just leave it at 6.
You have 8?
Mine can go really high. Feel free to throw item frames in lava. Swords are not...
Wait. Are you serious? Swords are not trophies. Do you not know how to read? No, never mind. Okay. Expect for when you find a trophy like this, and if there are any issues on MCPEDL, the last is a rule. Do not forget. It's important for me.
Look, this.
Hey, look, honey, look at the name tag. Yeah, no.
Keep items on
It's not appropriate. The dog's name tag is not appropriate.
Well, we might want to put the boots on. Come on.
Oh, shit. I think I broke it.
No, you're supposed to. Adventure mode. Remember?
Oh. Do I put that one on too?
No, you only put your shoes. You need to put the shoes on. You're in adventure mode.
I
have them. Here.
You took up. Okay. Let's...
Hold on. Let's see. Okay. Let's see.
What?
In this map, nothing is impossible.
Jeez, why? I hate glass so much. Nope, wrong one.
Found a way.
I hate glass.
Oh. I have to turn my volume off so you can hear me. Sorry, guys, if you weren't able to hear us.
Oh, jeez. Dead end. Don't go over here.
My goodness, this is making me dizzy. How do you...
Me too.
Oh, my goodness. This isn't barrier blocks.
Didn't find a way. Don't follow me.
You found a way, Fion.
I did.
I don't know why I just called you your old Minecraft name, Theo. That I made up for you.
Shot. That's my weird name. Oh, shoot.
Oh. There's another way up.
Shoot.
You need to find a way up more.
I think you're making them all dizzy.
I'm dizzy.
Me too. Me too.
This game is confusing.
Shoot.
This map is so confusing. This is
I found a way. Oh,
this is the way we came up. Well, then maybe you need to... How do you... Oh, flip.
I'm not good at this.
Ooh.
You were like way down. Really down.
Yeah, I know I went down.
Why?
There's ladders back here we never went to.
I went up again. I think you should hurry up. I am like
I'm going to the ladders that we never went to. Trying to find a way to get to them.
Okay. But I'm pretty sure the people who watching don't like it.
Eh.
You really don't care about them, do you?
Nope, they didn't just skip
readers.
over it. Watchers, you mean? Okay, so just
Found a way. Okay.
That's the same one that we came up on.
Just go up it.
Trying to.
It's a map. You're supposed to finish.
Oh!
Not
Found a
find
way to
other
the
ways.
area that I was trying to get to.
Shoot! I don't know where I'm going.
I found out what we're supposed to be looking for.
What?
What's up there? Okay. How do you get out? Mm-hmm. Okay. A game.
And then go. Dude. For our video, you have to keep talking.
Sorry, I was
Talk
trying
like
to
you
have
have no end. I mean, have no off button. I don't know. God. Why?
Okay.
Okay. Just keep saying K.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how do we get to
Why?
this.
I hate
Look at my screen.
this.
Look at my screen. This is what we're trying to get to.
Oh my God.
Right there.
I know. I see it too. I'm under it.
No, you're not.
I don't know what I'm looking
under
at.
it.
I'm looking at an under chest.
Oh, we're looking at a thing in an item.
Oh, I found something. I think. Oh, I'm on another floor now.
You're on the same floor as me.
I have no idea. It's confusing, the glass. It's confusing me. You don't understand. This is why I don't like glass. So confusing. Super confusing, man. Dude. Oh my God.
My goodness.
I just thought there was a hole, but it was glass.